Are you gonna be able to handle it? Come on, Mason.
I hear it. You hear it?
Here, I help you. Give me your hand. I help you. Give me your hand.
I see it.
Okay, it looks like she's gonna try to walk it.
Yeah.
Go walk. Okay, high or low? Down low. If we go up high, we can see it. The waterfalls from that big bridge. But we're gonna go. We want to go down low, right? Maddie, look. See all the way down there? Do you see that little fort thing? Here, I'll zoom. It's like, I don't know what it is. Yeah. No, it was probably a building at some point or something, or maybe it was a little garden thing. It looks like it was a little garden. Mason, no running. You're gonna fall. Thank you. So look up. You see, we're gonna come under the bridge. That's the bridge where all the cars are. What do you think? More stairs? Okay, wait, Mason, I help you. I help you, wait. So what do you think of all these steps, Maddie? Well, be very careful. Okay, should be right up. Gotta go around the bend and you should be able to see it.
Find a pen in a notebook because we find animals.
You brought your snacks? You know what that's? It's not smoke. It's the waterfalls. It's the mist. We're under the bridge. Look, Maddie, we're under the bridge. This way, Mason. Okay, you gotta keep going. It's not smoke, it's mist. Come on. Can you see anything yet? Whoa! Now I showed you from the kayak, huh? Maddie, there's that bridge. Oh, I see a little rainbow. See the rainbow?
Oh, yeah. I do. Oh, I see the cars.
Okay, let me hold Mason up so she can see. Oh, you can feel it.
It's raining.
What do you think, Mason?
You feel it?
It does feel like it's raining, doesn't it?
Is it?
What do you think, Maddie? No, it's not raining. It's just the mist. Go check them out, Maddie. Go check them out. Yeah.
This is heaven?
Is it heaven?
There's spaces in there.
Let's see.
Is it?
Yeah, it's a little scary looking, but here, let's see this one.
Can you touch them?
You touch it.
Oh, nothing.
Blow it. Airplane! Good job! What you doing?
Oh no, it is.
I don't know how good you're going to be able to see anything from here because a lot of the trees are blocking.
The water?
Yeah.
It's just the water.
It's a pretty cool little...
The waterfall.
Yeah. All right, let's go up to this area. This is what they call a dam. You can throw it over the edge.
Really?
So there's some waterfalls there. There's a duck. Ducks. See them?
They're so big.
Okay, here's a bridge. We'll just go probably to the side and turn around.
Right?
Huh? think so. Look, that's where the waterfalls. It goes way down there. That's where we just came from. See the bridge with the cars? More of the river over here. I've never been down this way.
We're on top of a waterfall.
Yes, we are. Wow, we are. Look. I don't know if I can get it.